Hi sweeties, take a look at this, my DIY fall pumpkin centerpiece. It is made with some fresh flowers, some artificial. Let me show you what I did, but please, before I do that, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get into it. So, I didn't want to spend too much money to complete this challenge. Gotta watch those pennies. I had some autumn stuff already, but not very much. So I figured I would stop by Dollar Tree and see if they had some inexpensive autumn decor. So I wanted a pumpkin that was a little larger than what I already had. So I picked up this one. It's way too bright orange. So I'm gonna spray paint it with some spray paint that I already have in the garage. And I'm gonna make a little arrangement with the pumpkins and these succulents. Aren't these adorable? Like, I think they look super realistic. So we're gonna do a little arrangement with these succulents. Those were $1 a piece. And I'll just prop it up there on this skewer and styrofoam piece of whatever it is and let it dry, then give it another coat. I have this sad orchid that's lost most of its blooms, but I'm going to use these for my arrangements, the ones that are still alive. Oops, lost another one. And I'm going to use this moss that I used to cover the grower's pot that this comes in. I'm going to use that in my arrangement too. Now I could glue this down, but I don't really think I want to because I use this over and over again when I pop a new orchid in that pot. So I'll just kind of play with it, and then I will use the succulents to kind of hold these into the pumpkin. Now because this is foam, I'm just going to use a skewer to make a guide hole and then pop this succulent right in there. Well, I'll put the moss up first and then I'll use the succulent to hold it all together. Now I'll just push that in there. It's cute already. There we go. And we just want to use the moss to help hide the seam there. Again, you can glue it if you want. It'll be a little bit more stable. Then we'll go in with one more orchid. So that is it, sweeties. What do you think? I mean, I think it turned out great. We've got some faux succulents, some real orchids, a fake pumpkin, and a little bit of this moss or whatever hanging around, and I think it made a lovely little centerpiece. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and have a delicious day.